All right, everybody. Got a few Paw Paw Care tips here. Paw Paws, when they're full of fruit, can get very heavy, especially when you have beautiful, large-sized Paw Paws like these. So I recommend pruning your branches up 2 to 3 feet off the ground. This helps keep the fruit from hanging low when it gets heavy and sitting against the ground, where it can get funked out, where critters can come along and start chewing on it. You can see on this bottom pawpaw, something's already been scratching at it. Protects it from weed whackers, lawn mowers. It just creates a nice flow under your tree, allows you to mulch it easily, allows more airflow. So I also like to maintain my lateral branches back to about 4 feet from the trunk for the same reason. If they get too long and they hang heavy with their branches, even at 3 feet height, they could come down and touch the ground. I also like to keep my pawpaws down at about 8 feet so that I can easily get in, reach all the pawpaws, making sure that I get to enjoy these beautiful fruits and their abundant harvests. So enjoy growing pawpaws.